be a video on how to void a ticket. So in the checkout screen, you'll notice the void ticket down here at the bottom. Let's say I start ringing somebody up. So they got two of these and Michael was the salesperson, and I go to my payments and he says, you know what, I don't need these. So he's walking away. We're not going to do this ticket. I just go ahead and click void. It's going to confirm that I want to void it, and I go ahead and click OK. And now my ticket has been voided. Now let's say we got all the way done with that ticket. So we'll go ahead and we'll recreate that one more time. And we get to payments, and as long as he's not paying with a credit card, we can just go ahead and void that. So he paid with cash, and he says, you know what, just let's undo that. So we give him his cash back. And we need to void that. So we just click void ticket. Again, it's going to confirm that I want to void it. I go ahead and click yes, and now that ticket is voided. Keep in mind, you cannot void tickets that are paid with credit card because it does require you to refund those tickets. And that can happen by watching the refund information. But yeah, that is how simple it is to void a ticket. Thanks for watching.